In this video, I want to talk about bond and sureties in the Massachusetts probate process because it's a subject that a lot of people who are probating an estate for the first time really don't understand. If you are probating an estate and you're asking to be appointed as a personal representative for the estate, essentially the person who's going to distribute the estate's assets, the court will require you to sign a bond. And it's a standardized form, MPC 801. It's available online. Now, by signing it, you're telling the court that you will be personally liable for any misconduct on your part in administering the estate. So if you misuse assets, if you steal assets, then you are personally liable to the court and to the estate for your misconduct. Along with the bond, you usually need to have sureties. There are personal sureties and there are corporate sureties. Now, a surety is a co-signer, somebody who's going to guarantee that you're going to do your job faithfully or in good faith. And if you, the personal representative, do not, then the sureties may be liable for the loss as well as you. Personal sureties would be if you could get two disinterested people to sign acting as sureties. And if you can't, then you need to get a corporate surety. So you need to go to a bank or an insurance company and have them, for a fee, act as a surety. Sureties are not needed on a bond in a few instances. First, if there's a will and the will waives the requirement for sureties, then they're not necessary. Second, if all of the heirs waive the requirement for sureties, then they'll be waived by the court. If the personal representative is a bank or a trust company, then sureties are not needed. And then finally, the court on its own can hold that it's in the best interest of the estate to not have sureties. Okay, so that's a brief summary of bond and sureties in Massachusetts. You need to know what it is if you're going to probate an estate. And if you need help probating an estate or with estate planning, please contact me, send me a message, or send me an email.